You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name of this town or commune in the south of France, in the Occitanie region of southern France. If we're going to look at how it's pronounced in French and how you can say it in English. The French pronunciation first is Aigues-Mortes. I know the spelling doesn't necessarily make a lot of sense. Now in Occitan, it'd be said as Aigues, Aigues-Mortes. But in French, it's normally pronounced as Egg. It's pretty much like an egg, really. Aigues-Mortes, Aigues-Mortes. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.